Hey, today we are examining the 2019 RPod 179. It's a layout masterpiece. But as of today, our data suggests it may be a heavyweight contender in a frame designed for a lighter fight. Hi, I'm Rhonda, and this is a subjective opinion based on our 100-point master matrix. We track federal safety recalls and verified owner complaints. This is not an official government rating. Before we dive into the data, let's be fair. The 179 is iconic for a reason. Its aerodynamics and rear kitchen floor plan are brilliant for couples. However, we aren't here for the marketing. We're here for the forensic reality. Sometimes ultralight convenience comes with a heavy structural consequence. According to the NHTSA campaign 19V356, certain 2019 RPods were manufactured with a 14-gauge wire on a 30-amp circuit. NHTSA documents that this mismatch could allegedly cause the wire to overheat before the breaker trips, posing a potential fire risk. To be fair, Forest River provides a free-of-charge remedy to correct this. If you're shopping the used market today, verify the VIN on the NHTSA portal to ensure this has been performed. Because this involves a fire risk, it triggers a critical 25-point loss. We also see a pattern of floor-to-wall separation. Owners allege the 2019 frame lacks sufficient outrigger support, causing the floor to sag under the weight of that massive kitchen slide. However, we also note a pattern of owners reporting that structural outrigger kits are often a paid-for preventive measure once the factory warranty expires. Here's the company's stance. Forest River generally states that these issues are rare and typically addressed during the standard warranty period. The trend for the 2019 model is stagnant. While later model years move to reinforced frame designs, the 2019 units rely on the original factory specs that triggered these failure reports. Since the manufacturer hasn't issued a proactive technical service bulletin for the 2019 chassis, we deduct 5 points. Now, let's explain the math. We don't just subtract points randomly. We weigh them by their real-world impact on your safety and your wallet. In Category 1, dealing with the NHTSA recalls, this is 30% of the grade. They got deducted 25 points, which leaves 75 left, which gives them 22.5 weighted points. In Category 2, for consumer complaints, this is also 30% of the total grade. It was minus 30, which gives them 21 weighted points. Category 3 for legal and accountability, this is 20% of the grade. And there was a minus 10 there, which gives them 18 weighted points. And in Category 4, the trend direction, this is also 20% of the points. And we only knocked off 5 here, so that's 19 weighted points. When you add those weighted totals together, the 22.5, 21, 18, and 19, you arrive at the final mathematical score of 80.5. On our 100-point master matrix, the 2019 RPod 179 earns a grade of B. This is a moderate risk, is a design icon, but the data proves you cannot afford to skip a private inspection. Consider hiring an independent NRVIA inspector to perform a SealTech pressure test before you sign the paperwork. And as always, we'd like to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the road. Bye.